miles are more like a kilometre. I don't know. Fuck it. No, don't, you focus on driving for me. I'll focus on drinking this. If the car in front brakes, you tell me he's braking. Fucking Jesus. Oh no. Okay, I'm kind of feeling bad about telling you it can't be done. Surely I can get through the second one now. There can't be anything left beside me. Oh Christ. Oh well, in for a penny. Come on, get on with it. Fucking look, we're meant to be doing 70, we're doing 56. Well, that's the reason we're doing 56, there's a lorry in front. And this one's going down quite nicely. hell? What's the next song? No, not David Bowie. Next. Yes, turn it up. Distinct impression I am actually going to vomit. Is that deaf language where I become a dick? Yeah, I thought so.
I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should.
Braking for? Oh no, too much. Ah! Dropped my lid.
And for someone else, but not for me. Our love was out.
Well, I guess we proved it can't be done.
Disappointment haunted all my dreams.
Oh god.
Then I saw her face.
Yeah.
Now I'm a believer.
No, I'm gonna have to write a 7 million word apology, aren't I?
Doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't.
I'm not a cretin. I don't understand cretin language. Can you not talk to me in Makaton, please? You're not speaking. Do I have to show the world you not speaking? World, this is my friend Jack not speaking.
And I saw her face. Now I'm a believer.
Leave it. No, I'm not turning off. I'm in love. Ooh! No, this has got to be a 10-minute long video. YouTube's 10 minutes, isn't it? Is it still 10 minutes for YouTube? Or can you be a bit quicker than 10 minutes these days? You can fuck off, you think you're putting out in front of me? No! Yeah, okay, that's enough of that. Oh, 10 minutes is up.